Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota Camry windshield wipers. Start by lifting the wiper arm until it locks and locate the small release tab near the blade connector. Press the tab and slide the blade down to free it from the hook, keeping fingers clear of the arm spring. Clean the contact points with a soft cloth, position the new blade adapter, snap it in, and lower the arm carefully. Prepare the car and workspace before you begin, keeping the ignition off and the windshield clean. Gather one set of replacement blades and a small flathead screwdriver in case a connector is tight. Wear gloves to protect the paint and your hands, and lay a towel under the arm to catch any snaps. Inspect the new blades for the correct adapter type, then test fit by aligning and gently pressing until you hear a click. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes tidying the garage or car interior easier with voice control, smart mapping, and powerful suction that handles crumbs and debris while you work on the Camry. It saves time so you can focus on repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin with the driver's side and lift the arm away from the windshield with a steady hand. Press the connector release, slide the old blade downward off the hook, and keep fingers clear of the spring. Move to the passenger side and repeat the same steps, ensuring each replacement blade clicks securely into place. Lower both arms gently to avoid glass contact, then run the wipers with washer fluid to check sweep and fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.